Hi, this video introduces how to add devices and configure settings on the Smart Access Cloud for commercial projects. Only installers can add devices. Project managers can check and edit device settings. This video covers 3 essential parts, including adding devices, modifying device settings, and remote configuration. Let's start by logging in to the Smart Access Cloud. Log in with your installer account. Click Commercials on the dashboard. Then, navigate to the target project. Click Devices on the left column. Select the building or public area where the device is installed. If it is a single company project, no building and public area option will display. Simply click New to add a device. Next, select the device type. Here we choose Door Phone. Enter the device's MAC address. Then, select the network group. Devices on the same local network should share a network group for IP communication, while different groups are used for SIP calls. Then, name the device to distinguish it from others. You can enable user access to monitor video through Smart Plus apps, which is enabled by default. Enter the door name. If desired, allow indoor monitors to open the door via DTMF by selecting the corresponding DTMF code or keeping the default. And select the relay that controls the door lock. Then, specify which reader controls the door. The entry reader for the entry door, the exit reader for the exit door. The internal reader utilizes the device's built-in reader, enabling users to swipe cards, enter pins, etc. directly on the device. Weekend A to D indicates that users use their credentials on the device connected to the door phone via its Weekend interface. For example, users swipe cards on a Weekend card reader to open doors. If the door phone only has one Weekend, simply choose Weekend A, while RS485 A to D indicates a reader connected via the RS485 interface. Then, specify the unlock methods to open the door when internal reader is selected. For example, if you select PIN as the access method for door 1 and select RF card for door 2, when users enter PIN codes on the door phone, only door 1 will be opened and vice versa. The exit reader configuration mirrors that of the entry reader. If a push exit button is connected, select the input interface used. Next, you can choose the input that is connected to a door sensor for detecting whether someone breaks in forcibly or if the door opening time exceeds a limit. Lastly, specify whether to use a relay or the door sensor to indicate door status. The door status icon will display on the project manager's cloud web portal. If multiple locks are connected, click Add Door. Submit the settings. You may need to reboot the device to bring it online. The added door will display in the door module. Then, for a multi-company project, you need to assign the door to a company. Click Company on the left column and click the edit icon of the target company. Or, click New to create a new one. Check the door and set it as a private or public door. Let's proceed to add an indoor monitor. Return to the device's module and click New. Set the device type to Indoor Monitor and enter the MAC address. The arming function makes the arming icon available on users' Smart Plus apps for arming and disarming. Then, select the network group. If the devices are deployed in the same local network, select the same network group so that they can communicate via IP calls. If not, select a different group for SIP calls. Optionally, link the device to specific personnel so it appears as a contact on their indoor monitors. When calling the personnel from a door phone, the indoor monitor can also be contacted. If the indoor monitor connects to a door lock via relay, enable and name the relay. If not, keep it disabled. Click Submit. You may need to reboot the device to bring it online. After adding a device, you can change its settings and remotely configure it. Click the setting icon of the target device. The settings consist of 4 parts: Basic Settings, Door, Auto P, and System. In Basic Settings, you can modify the device type, MAC address, network group, and device name, and set the permission for users to view the monitoring stream of the device. In the Doors section, configure door features. When Door Sensor Connect to is configured, you can configure the alarm setting. The door held open alarm feature will activate an alarm if the door remains open beyond a specified duration. To utilize this feature, enable it and define the door opening time that will trigger the alarm. Additionally, the break-in alarm feature alerts users when the door is opened abnormally, enhancing security. See the feature configuration article in the video introduction. Furthermore, you can configure schedules to keep the door open by clicking Edit in Door Details. We will discuss the door schedule feature in the next video. For remote management, use Automatic Provisioning (AutoP). If you just want to implement the command once, click One-Time AutoP and enter the command. Move to the System part where you can reboot, reset, select the connection type, and remotely access the device's web interface. Thanks for watching.